Yo, bro, I swear.
Is this a private?
That's not a private.
Wait.
Is this a private?
Is this a private? I swear.
What's up, guys? We're back with the videos. Welcome back. Last time we touched this car, a lot of shit happened. We took off the army trick, so I'm running no exhaust. It's really freaking loud. The exhaust actually was there, but now it's gone. We're at MZP with my boys. We got Vic, Toro, and Carl over here. We're finally doing the fuel setup for the car, like that we can make more power than 360 or whatever we're making. So we're finally getting started, and the plan is we're trying to get this car ready for FL2K, which is the next week. So we're on a time crunch to get this car ready. But today's day one, and we're gonna start this up. So I'm super pumped, man. It's been a long time coming. Talking hella crap.
It still works?
It still works. You see this one? I haven't touched this camera in months.
Yeah, this is the camera since last time you were here.
Yeah, I was here yesterday. This was 6 months ago.
Hey, now you need to record this one. Get that
Yeah,
shit.
so my life was in hella danger. Thanks, Vic. I appreciate it. This is our fuel line, and I was shooting flames, and this shit almost.
Instead of buying $1,000 down prices,
Yeah, cut it and go 3-inch.
Fired up.
That's it.
if you really wanted to, you can always, you can just get a new dump price. How much do they want for it?
Dude, they want like $600 or something, or more. It's way too much money. What's up, Toro? What we gonna do?
What's up? This was gonna catch fire. This fiberglass, by the way.
That won't, but fuel
This
line.
will catch fire.
This will catch fire.
The fiberglass does catch
Pull
fire.
back, risky.
So you guys weren't kidding about the 12-foot flames, huh? Hey, look, I do have a filter. Ah.
You bottom out is the first thing that's gonna get hit.
You make a point.
Dude.
A valid point.
Brother, I'm gonna give
What's
you
up,
the perfect
Carl?
combo. I'm
Carl's
give you
gonna
the
roast me.
Look, you hit, boom, spark, ignite the whole line,
Uh-huh.
combination of your flames. Brother, you like a walking firework.
I'm a walking torpedo, dude. I'm ready to die.
Look how bad this shit was flaming. Look.
Jesus.
Alright, so whole new fuel line in this, baby. And we're gonna get it routed the right way, because they f***ed up and they routed it this way, which makes no sense. Across the firewall. Oh, an angel.
No wonder they couldn't fucking fit it the way it's supposed to go.
Why?
Because this filter goes right here.
It should have gone here, and
then it goes up and it runs up through to the transmission on top, right?
Yes.
That's the why. That's why
That's the
this
proper
didn't
way.
make it, because they went around the fucking fuel tank and up.
We're very, very, very behind on this car. Very behind.
Yo,
Hey.
don't rush it, bro. Don't rush it.
Nah, I'm not trying to rush
No,
it.
no, no, I know. Because I can actually.
No, we're not trying to rush it, but we got a deadline to get it to FL2K.
When is FL2K?
October 8th, we're on the road?
No, October 10th.
No, 8th.
Saturday.
No,
Saturday.
but we're on the road
Yeah,
on the
but
8th.
listen.
Oh,
No,
okay,
no, no,
okay.
listen.
Alright, let's take lunch then. That's the perfect way to start this car.
Break.
15, guys.
Risky, you hate you.
What do you mean?
Rabbit,
I'm here.
cat.
We're live. Let's do this, baby. What's up? Let's go.
I'm ready, but I gotta kick in the balls once.
Wham!
I get to get. I like that car.
He's awake now.
Dude, let's get some Red Bulls and Coronas and let's get to work.
Well, you got Coronas. We got enough Coronas.
Nah, that's not enough Corona. No homo, dude. No fucking homo.
Oh,
Ooh, damn. I made him nut. You just reminded me. Oh, we also got to do the oil pan.
Damn.
Nice and black.
Rabbit, you never
Let
changed
me get that. Let me.
It's only like 3,000 miles. Maybe a little bit more. What happened?
It looks fine.
Yeah, but the thing is, the threads came out of this one. So the story is, last time I changed the oil, I actually stripped the oil pan. We'll be alright. Vic's got a spare. Boy, what's f***ed up now?
Oh my god. This is sponsored by Kaboom Performance. Just, wow. Hey, crazy.
A little crazy. Random
Right over
cable, vacuum line. Where's the vacuum line at? Vacuum line. I need you to take off that shit right there with that.
What?
Right, take it off right there. This right here.
What the f is this?
What do you mean, dude?
Yo, what is this? My name?
I got that from Craftsman. Some crackhead sold me that.
Yeah, probably the same company who put your car together, huh?
You can do it?
Kaboom Performance out here.
You can do it. You got that. You got it.
Got it, bro. Can't
Bro,
Yo, what
Right. I'm not gonna say where I got it from.
Oh, Vic, I don't understand, bro. What is this? We need some quality control
Yo,
over
that's
here,
a-
bro.
That's a quality tool, dude.
Oh, damn. Black and Dagger on
Black
top
and
of it.
Dagger, bro. That's just legit. Legit. I took that from my ex-son-in-law. Sponsored, baby.
You good right there?
Are you good?
Undo this one. Where the dikes at?
Oh, dikes.
What you call it, bike? We're not gonna say what happened to you,
Hey,
but somehow
nothing happened
you
to
ended
me,
up with a
nigga.
booty hole out the window
Yeah.
that you were like,
Ass cheek. Ass cheek.
Hey, when he said the thong, they don't want to move out the way. He forgot to mention it was stuck between the balls. You know.
this conversation ends here. Miami Z-Ports has nothing to do with this video or the affiliation of this content. Please stay tuned. So let me get the new ones. So in the closet, in the office, I got my own little box that says, ready, don't touch. Guys, I got the fuel rails. Tell me why. Go
A
ahead.
few reasons. You ain't gonna like it.
Me and you, we fighting right now.
You can't go to Trust Store and go buy them shit?
So what do you realistically think I got right here, injector wise? What do I
Let's
got?
run the partner or as soon as you take it off right now.
How about this? How about we go nip on tomorrow and go get them?
Yeah, what?
You bigger
You know it's
injectors.
crazy, right?
So what do you think I got, Carl?
What?
Injector wise,
I think you got some 660s on there.
660.
He's saying 700. It's not like it makes a difference.
Nah, but it's not. It's really
It's not
not.
a friendly.
It's not gonna do shit.
Nah.
For E85 and to make any power,
Nah,
like
nah.
you're gonna need at least 1,000, if not 12s.
1200.
You need 12s. 12s where is that? If not 13s, you know.
People that got by here, you know?
Yeah, we ain't gonna do any damage with these injectors.
Let me just state for the record. If you're not making 500, don't hit up my DMs. Simple as that. You know, just make it straight.
I swear,
This is Toro and Terrio.
Yeah,
Show us a pry bar.
I swear.
Where's the pry bar?
I
Is
swear.
this a pry bar?
That's a pry bar.
Wait, wait.
Is this a pry bar?
Is this a pry bar?
I swear.
No, where's the pry
Yo,
bar?
we going to hell, bro.
It's just like Dora Explorer, huh?
Y'all's messing around with kids with problems.
Yo, I found the pry bar.
Yep,
It's right here, dude. What's up, bro? You trying to get something for the S2000?
Man, hopefully by the end of the year
We're
we
gonna
do
turbo
something. Turbo it, yeah.
Don't play with us.
I'm not. I'm
We're
serious.
trying to turbo the
I'm
S2.
serious. I'm serious.
That's if they give me a loan.
Stop
Look at the
doing
part
that,
number.
bro. You
The part
need
number?
to use that shit for something else.
02815. Oh, they grinded the back of the part number.
02185. It's Braintree,
Why'd
Massachusetts.
they do that?
You are so dumb. You are really dumb.
This is from ID. Well, for Fast Intentions.
They are from Fast and It comes with the kit. They can't be
But
fake.
why'd they do that?
They probably did that so you wouldn't.
So the beauty of this is, I got all these new parts, but my boy Carl, he needs all these new parts because
Oh my god.
this man bought a new Nismo and he needs that box of parts right there. Yo, how broke are you? How broke are you? Oh, now you don't want
I'm
to
super
talk.
broke. I'm super broke.
Now you don't want to
bro,
talk about how broke you are.
Yeah.
We got a
I'm
whole
very broke,
parts
bro.
of parts. Look at all these parts for Carl right here.
1,000cc injectors, you
Ooh,
know.
Poppy.
Hey, why do I need 1,000cc injectors, bro?
Because you need flow.
It's slow, bro.
Gapperoni sauce.
It's a slow Nismo. It's a
Hello?
Sismo.
So Victor called Bill over at Spray It Racing and he confirmed that the Bosch injectors we have are 1,000 cc's. So we're probably gonna end up selling those, and Vic's got some FICs, 1300s that we're gonna put in, which is perfectly fine. That's awesome that he has these in stock. He's gonna hook it up and we're gonna put those on along with the fuel rails that I got from CJM. So yeah, power baby, let's go. We're starting the twin pump setup, right? Yeah. And we got two 525s, which is big boy status as it's ridiculous. It's super ridiculous. But look how sexy this CJM twin pump top hat is.
It's like a Tron Legacy type.
It's sexy, man. It's billet. It's billet aluminum. It is nice. They really put some quality work. Now it says pump 1, pump 2. That's pretty sick. So with these two 525s, we should have more than enough gasoline.
Come out here, bro.
You've been drunk for the last like 2 hours.
Yo, chill, bro. Don't get that.
Yo,
Get
my
that,
thing
bro,
is,
bro.
my thing is with these two pumps that they're what 525.
525.
Yeah, you could tune those two suckers to the point that you're not gonna waste like quarter of a tank within 10 minutes, right? Like G shit.
I don't think he gets our words.
God damn.
Car's a mess, man.
No, Toro said 2 view bucks.
God damn.
Burning 2 times more than you.
Yo, that's a lot, dude.
This man is done.
Don't let this tune your car, bro. Just because you have 2 fuel pumps doesn't mean
That's what I'm saying. Like,
it's
you should-
using double the fuel, my G.
No, I get that, but
You
I'm
sure?
saying you're able to. I mean, of course you're able to.
my
tune it.
God.
Forgot, but we gotta get that E85 sensor too, along with that 4-bar map sensor.
You're doing the E85 now?
Oh, now we got 1300s.
Hey, you got a problem.
What's the problem?
No, you're not making
The problem is you don't have the money for this box right now. Where's the money?
You need to double the fuel tank size.
This mother.
Double.
I think we should add. He has a whole bunch of fuel tanks. We should add
need a
another
double.
one.
Yeah,
Since
bro.
it's
Since you have two
it's
fuel
a
pumps,
twin fuel pump.
we need two tanks, nigga.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
Yo, Toro's
Yo.
a genius, man.
I didn't think of that, dude. I forgot the second fuel tank.
Shit, that'd be a good idea.
I want a 34-gallon fuel tank. Trying to make it right, exactly.
According to his math, if you're using 600% of your fuel, you're gonna need about,
Yo, these guys
you're
are
gonna need about 10 fuel tanks. Yo, my stomach hurt, bro.
I could drive to New York and back with one trip. Sick.
Hey, Carl.
Man.
Right?
My question is, what is it that you're missing though?
So right now we're missing the relay kit for the fuel pumps. We need 2, right?
Right now, if I wanted to, I can do this all right now. If I wanted to.
Exactly.
But I know it's gonna cost us $30 for these 2 plugs.
Okay. Which you could get at Nippon for
I don't know. We can get
Nippon
power, bro.
Nippon.
Nip nipples.
It don't matter.
It don't
We'll call it
matter, bro.
nips. How about that?
Nips. Nipples power.
Nip power. Yo, did you just rip it open an expensive ass bag? What's wrong with you? This man just cost me $15 on a plug. Yo, the disrespect. That shit just cost me $30 just to plug them in. But they look sexy.
Off the camera, but cut.
Cut. All right, hold
Talk
on.
numbers, bro. Let's talk numbers. So we got.
If anybody's interested in the stuff that I have for sale,
No, shut up, man. Whoa.
shoot me a DM if you want any of these old parts before
Yo.
Carl.
F you. Everybody up in the live stream, bro. What the fuck?